afternoon, everyone. It's Mayor Heaton at the City of Bardstown. I'm here to do our weekly update, and I'll start with our COVID cases. I don't have cases on Friday yet, but for the 4 days we've reported this week, we have seen our numbers continue to kind of climb. We've had nearly 40 cases reported in this week. 19 on Monday, which was almost, I think, the record high, if not tied with the record for the number of cases here in 1 day's reporting for Nelson County. That's a total of 307 cases. The thing we are seeing is the trend is continuing to have a lot more younger people are testing positive. I'm talking about people under the age of 35. This week we even had a 7-month-old and a 2-year-old and a 3-year-old test positive in our reports. The good news is only 2 are hospitalized right now. So that kind of carries over to the next thing I want to talk about. Last week we talked to you about our Mask Up campaign, our public service announcement campaign, and that's going now in full force. I'm sure you may have seen some of our announcements in the newspaper, and we're also using radio and TV and social media to get the message out about the importance of masking up. And our campaign features local residents and business owners and healthcare officials telling the people how important it is to mask up. And it is important. If we're going to keep this under control, masking up is our number one tool that we have to use to protect each other. So continue to mask up and we'll get this under control. You also have seen a major sidewalk project going on out on Highway 245. The first leg of that is about substantially complete. That's from Highway 62 there at Mago Construction Company over to Highway 31E at the intersection of 31E, which is 3rd Street, and Highway 245. That phase is just about substantially complete. We started also working yesterday and today on the next phase, which will go from 3rd Street over to Chambers Boulevard on West 245. Now, I know the barrels in the road and choking the traffic down to one lane has been a major inconvenience, but there's a purpose behind that. And the purpose is that makes the project go faster and also safer. So the faster we can move on this project, the sooner we can take down the barrels and get traffic back to normal. So it's sort of a short-term inconvenience, but it helps eliminate tying up traffic longer term, and we want to get this done, substantially done, before all our public schools start back to school in person, and that would create so much more traffic that we hope to have this all out of the way before that time. So work is going well. It's going to be great once this new sidewalk is completed. It's going to give access to many people to the retail corridor, one of our major retail corridors here in Bardstown. And finally, I'm happy to announce that the renovation of Fire Station 1, which is our new fire station out on 245, is pretty much complete. The fire department started moving equipment and furniture in there this week. So hopefully in August, we will be able to have a formal opening of Fire Station 1 for the public to be there, and perhaps an open house. And I keep saying Fire Station 1 because that's what it's going to be referred to. Fire Station 2 will be the current one here at City Hall. So we will be operating full bore here very soon out of 2 fire stations here in Bardstown. So it's exciting and going to be much better service from our fire department for the safety and health of all our residents and our businesses. So that's my report for today. Have a good weekend. Be safe. And let's mask up.